integrated 220 volt system. This has got a high powered inverter on it. It's got solar charging capability. It's got the charging capability from the engine, so when you're on a long run it charges, but everything's been built to a high specification. It's not a 12 volt system, it's a 24 volt system. All the wiring is made the economics cheaper, but it's more efficient, it's less heat producing. You have a Raspberry Pi that controls all the facilities of this van. It's better because we've put more relays in, and we've integrated Alexa into it as well. Overall, it's just awesome.
We've pretty much used the best that we could get of everything. The electronic system, it's all Victron top of the range stuff. We've put a shower toilet in it. We've got hot and cold running water. We've got heating in here, Truma heater system. Some beautiful ceiling panels, LED lighting, voice activated.
So this is kind of a bougie van, right? Because you have this huge shower,
yeah,
and you've also got like a pretty big kitchen for a camper, right? It's got a fridge,
yeah,
oven, gas stove. It's got a good size sink as well. Look at all the stuff that's in the sink right now.
Full size double bed.
Full size double bed, which is actually really comfy. I was lying on this before. Loads of storage.
All retrimmed seats, leather seats, retrimmed
yeah,
leather steering wheel. Just as many luxurious touches as we could
so
get.
Who is this van for? Who's going to buy this van, do you think?
This is for a professional couple who like to do a bit of windsurfing, a bit of kite surfing, that kind of stuff. They're going to need a van to get around places. Fixed beds, they don't have to make any beds. They're not going to spend massive amounts of time eating in here, but they kind of need to.
Yeah. So you can be totally off the grid on this van, right? You don't need to be plugged in anywhere.
No, we've got 550 watt solar panels on the roof, giving us lots of power. If you're in Spain with this van, you're not going to need any power.
No. And we've got vent up here.
Yeah, we got.
It's also heated, right? So it's a good winter van too.
It's got central heating, basically. It's got heating and hot water.
Basically has everything.